Hi there to all your aspiring professionals. I'm Manik Senayaka, once more with us. Career Insight Moment, just guiding you towards realizing all your career aspirations. And today, we're going to talk about another most frequently asked questions. What do you know about the company? It can also be asked in the form of what got you interested in working for us. Now, basically it looks like at the outset it's a data gathering question, like, okay, these are the reasons I know about the company. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basically, you're not doing justice to this question. Now, first up, there are a few things how you approach this. The entire tone for this, your response should be a positive one, because you want to put the interviewer state of mind in a positive position. Meaning, all of us are humans. We like to hear good things about ourselves. So when you talk good things about the company, it justifies their reason as to why they are working there. So don't make it obvious. So there's a way of doing that, not without making, giving out that you are trying to really butter them up. But through your response, you can really, show and create that kind of positive vibes in the minds of the interviewer. Now, as I said earlier, this is a great opportunity for you to really differentiate yourself with all other candidates. We'll get to that, what I mean by that. Also a very good opportunity for you to really show how committed you are, especially this question. So to achieve those two objectives, you can't just rely on the original format of the question, which is, what do you know about the company? You need to transfer your response gradually during the interview, why I want to join this company. So from being what you know about the company, your response to be more or less in the lines of why I want to join the company, and then attach various facts about the company, because that's the core of the question. Let's see what we can do about this. Now, I would say there are about 3 rules that you need to adhere to, as I see. Number 1 is, it goes on without saying that you need to research the company very well. I mean, you need to research organization. That shows commitment. So, very important, a lot of people, when they ask a lot of candidates, what they do is they basically go to the website and just share or reiterate the stuff that is already there. Imagine 10-15 candidates in the interview sharing the same thing. You're not going to create any differentiation. It's actually a waste of time, because every single candidate will come up with the same answer. So you need to do justice by spending time, some effort in going into their corporate report. Look for various ways in which they are doing, not just numbers. Anyone can share market share, penetration, brand awareness levels, and all that, but go much more detailed, not just NR and GR, revenue margins, but mostly in terms of the subjective aspect, new projects, new strategic direction. So you need to understand that it all depends on the level of position that you are applying. I'm saying junior to middle, even to senior management, you can use this tactic. Don't just rely on the website, because that's what everyone does. So you need to speak to the employees, you need to listen or look at the latest news regarding the company, and share a different aspect of the company, so that it sticks in the interviewer. Oh, this guy knows about our company, and use words such as driven. I'm so driven, for example. I'm so driven with your new project, it's amazing what you guys are doing with this. Or to something like, you can always say words such as, I'm motivated, I'm inspired. These are the words they want to hear. So that feel good, you put the interview in a positive state of mind. So very important, it's not just listing down, you show that you're very passionate. Number 2 rule is matching skills. Now, you might ask, this is not a question to match skills, this is just asking questions about the company, what you know. But you can be, script your answer in a way where you can say, for example, I know this company does these kind of programs, and they have initiated this kind of, invaded into new markets, and the strategies that you guys have used in that, is a reflection of what I have done in my past, with my experience. I had similar experience, but that got me really excited and inspired, because I know how you capture this market and share some market figures and share that these are the markets you are gone into, if they're gone into new markets. Or if it is a new product, and say, I'm really inspired and motivated the way you develop this product over the last 6 months, of how from concept stage now it is implemented in the market. I had similar experience way back, working for this product, how we took at, to launch a product strategically, looking at various, and now it is having this kind of market share. So you you match your skills indirectly. You can't go totally, but you can indirectly match that you have some similar experience, and that got you excited to join in the organization. And at the same time, you're not deviating from the question like, what do you know about the company? You're sharing facts, news, you're just linking your experience to that. And number 3 rule is, again, same lines, match your values. What got me really inspired or join this organization is also about your values. So you talk about values, so that's also sharing data about the company. These values, and I work in organization which share similar values. So to a great extent, that also shows indirectly that you are aligning with the cultural fit as well. So you have to really practice this. Be careful not to go overboard. Don't over exaggerate or make it so obvious that you're talking good about the organization, but you need to transfer, to do justice to this organization, this question, you need to differentiate and you need to show commitment. So when you share a lot of information about the company which others don't share, like strategic details or news which are happening, then that creates a differentiation. That sticks in the minds of the interviewer, what, this guy is different. That shows commitment. You really want to work here. So do justice to this question. Don't treat it as just a data gathering question, right? You can always match skills, you can match your values, and the core is that make sure that, the interviewer is justified as to why they are working there. They feel good. Whatever you're saying is, music to their ears. They love to hear, because as humans, we all want to, we always encourage or welcome a good thought about us. So that is the tone. So I'm sure structure it nice. Most important thing is make sure that you rehearse and script, get it right, and do a lot of research about the prospective employer. So if you like this video, please feel free to subscribe to my channel, Get Hired, by tapping on the subscribe button, and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching. Take care.